Your question is, in which year was Rajya Sabha constituted for the first time? Your options are A 1950, B 1951, C 1952 or D 1953. Right answer is C 1952. Your question is, the Rajya Sabha consists of, your options are A 280 members of which 20 members are nominated by the President of India, B 275 members of which 18 members are nominated by the President of India, C 250 members of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India, or D 252 members of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India. Right answer is C 250 members of which 12 members are nominated by the President of India. Your question is, the representation of states in Council of States is based on, your options are A equal for all states, B ratio of their population, C ratio of their area, or D ratio of their revenue. Right answer is B ratio of their population. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. Union territories are not represented in the Rajya Sabha. 2. It is within the purview of the Chief Election Commissioner to adjudicate the election disputes. 3. According to the Constitution of India, the Parliament consists of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha only. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A only 1, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, or D none of these. Right answer is D none of these. Your question is, what is the tenure of a member of Council of State? Your options are A 3 years, B 5 years, C 6 years, or D 2 years. Right answer is C 6 years. Your question is, the members of Council of States are elected by, your options are A members of Legislative Assembly of States, B members of Legislative Council of States, C members of both Legislative Assembly and Council, or D members of municipalities and Gram Panchayat. Right answer is A members of Legislative Assembly of States. Your question is, member of Rajya Sabha is elected. Your options are A for 4 years, B for 5 years, C for 6 years, or D for lifelong. Right answer is C for 6 years. Your question is, Rajya Sabha is called permanent house because, your options are A all members are lifelong, B it cannot be dissolved, C some members retire after every 2 years, or D both B and C are true. Right answer is B it cannot be dissolved. Your question is, according to our constitution, the Rajya Sabha, your options are A is dissolved once in 2 years, B is dissolved every 5 years, C is dissolved every 6 years, or D is not subject to dissolution. Right answer is D is not subject to dissolution. Your question is, right to dissolve the Rajya Sabha is vested in, your options are A President, B Vice President, C Supreme Court, or D none of the above. Right answer is D none of the above.